I was in it like 20 minutes like, made her walk like, bitch talk nice.
What's up, Flow Gang? Welcome back to another banger video. Now, today's video, I'm gonna be giving y'all some tips to become a reseller, you feel me? Just like, you know, the young sensei. Now, drum roll, please. I'm gonna be giving y'all 10 great tips to becoming a reseller. And y'all might be like, well, how we finna be getting tips, right? My handy dandy laptop, you feel me? My handy dandy laptop. I got 10 examples, 10 reasons, whatever, 10 tips to you know, informational tips so y'all can be some resellers. You feel me? All right, boom. Let's. All right, boom. First tip: where to buy. Y'all might be like, I want to flip shoes. I want to, you know, be rich. I want to get $1 million. I want to, you know, whatever. But y'all don't know where to get the shoes. How y'all gonna get shoes without knowing how to get the shoes? You feel me? That's not how it works. Now, I'm gonna give y'all some places where y'all can go get y'all, you know, some shoes to resell, whatever. You can go to Grilled, Go, Facebook Marketplace, eBay, Instagram, Let Go. Let me think. I said Grill. Yeah, I said Grill. Macari, Depop. I don't know if I said eBay, but eBay. I don't know if I said that. You know, them is just the generic places, and you know, out of all them places, I don't know if y'all. Let me know if y'all want me to go into detail in every single, you know, whatever y'all need. But basically, eBay is like the place to sell. My bad. eBay is the place to sell because they don't have no fees, no buying and selling fees on shoes. I believe they have them on like clothes and stuff. So yeah, them is the places to sell or buy. My bad. Number 2, where to sell. Now, y'all know where to buy shoes from. Y'all got y'all first pairs of shoes or whatever, but they sitting on the ground and y'all don't know what to do with them. You feel me? Y'all just looking like, what should we do? You feel me? I'm gonna give y'all some places where y'all can sell. Make sure y'all listen closely, right? Go, StockX, what else? Macari. Basically, all the places that I just told you can buy from, you can sell from. But the only place where I said you should sell from, but you shouldn't really buy from for reselling, is StockX. Because StockX, a lot of the times when you buy something, you buying it from a reseller. You know, you're not gonna be able to resell that product because, you know, their fees are so high and stuff like that. It's kind of just dumb. You know, nobody buys from StockX to resell like that. Go, they do because, you know, they have used shoes, but you might be able to flip some shoes on StockX. I don't know. I never tried it, so I'm not gonna tell y'all go do some that I never tried. I ain't had experience in, because I feel like that's just some send-off stuff. Boom. Number 3. Now y'all really want to be some resellers now y'all like, okay, I'm messing with the kid, right? Y'all want to be some resellers. What y'all need is a Discord. Now, Discord is basically like a community of people helping you basically resell. They have clothes, shoes, NFTs, stocks, sport betting. They have everything, and it's just like $10 to $15 to $20 a month, and it's really essential. Really, like that's probably like one of the first tips you need to do when you're trying to become a reseller. Clothes, shoes, whatever you're trying to resell, that's basically the one of the first steps you need to do. And yeah, it's pretty just straightforward. Y'all should look up some videos on Discord and stuff like that. Find you a little, you know, perfect Discord. And basically how you can find Discord is going on Twitter, looking up, you know, some shoes that just dropped. And a lot of the times people add their Discord. So yeah, y'all can just go on there and they'll just add their Discord and stuff like that. Boom. Number 4, Blacklight. Now the reason why I put this in is because if you follow all my tips, or like, because these tips are kind of just straightforward. It's not really going into detail because I'm basically just telling y'all, the surface of it. But if y'all do want me to go in detail, just let me know and I'll go into detail. But basically, a blacklight is if you get a shoe, or when you get a shoe, new, used, whatever, just trying to make sure your shoe isn't fake. There will be, like stamps on the shoe, stamps on the boxes, unplacement, like glue not where it's supposed to be, stitching off, and stuff like that. And really, like, a human eye can't see that stuff. That's why people got black lights. So they basically like run the black light. Actually, I'll go get it real quick. Hold on. All right, y'all. This is the black light. This is the black light, and you basically just run it over the shoe or whatever, just to make sure it don't got no like Chinese stampings on them, or stuff like that. It's real simple, but you just need to look at some videos so you know what you're looking for and stuff like that. Yeah. Let me get the tablet, my fault, y'all. Yeah, so y'all basically know what y'all looking for and stuff like that. Alright, boom. Number 5, check. Now, check is basically you take some pictures of the shoe and you send it to somebody else, and they basically can legit check the shoe, make sure the shoe's 100% real and stuff like that. So basically, you just send it in to them. They'll let you know if it's real, fake, or anything like that. But the thing about that, you never just want to rely on one source of anything to make sure your shoes are fake. That's why you get you a blacklight. You knowledge yourself on fake shoes. Look up a video of the shoe you finna go get, so you can have some more tips. So you're not just relying on one thing, because nobody's perfect. So they might mess up. You get a fake shoe. That's why you also have multiple stuff, so you're just not relying on one thing. Boom. Number 6 is consignment. Now, consignment is basically you get a shoe, a new shoe, a used shoe, whatever, some clothes, a sock, whatever, it don't matter, and you basically go to either like Flight Club and Stadium Goods, and also them are 2 places that you can buy and sell from. I never did, but I've been looking up their info for consignment, and basically you can ship some shoes to them or whatever. Or if they're in your location, you can basically go give them a shoe, and if you want $200 for it, they give you like $170 when it sells, and they basically like promote it, keep pushing it so it can sell, and they basically send you the $170, and they keep that $30, $40, $50. And basically the reason why people do that is because you don't really have to worry about it. It's out of your hair and stuff like that. But the thing is, they just gonna take their little profit. It's not that much a lot of the time, depending on what the shoe is, the condition of it, and stuff like that. And you also can go to your local shoe stores if you have any by you, and they probably do the exact same thing. Now, number 7 is Instagram. Now, if you're following my steps and you're serious about if you're serious about reselling, you will know that Instagram is very important, because not only is it a place where you can buy and sell, you can promote your business. You can have your references on there. So basically, like, if somebody buys a shoe from you, you can be like, go comment on my reference to make sure, so people, when they go on your page, they can know you real, and like, you're not selling no fakes or anything like that. And yeah, and you can also buy, sell off of there too. And another place you can buy and sell is Facebook, Facebook, Instagram. So yeah, my bad if I forgot to let y'all know where you can buy stuff and sell. Number 8 is botting. Now, botting, that's if you're that's kind of like you can't be like into you can't just be starting reselling to get into botting. That's something, you after you bought, or after you're selling stuff for a couple months, then you get into botting, depending on how you learn fast and stuff like that. And basically botting is just giving y'all a quick rundown. You basically have like this software, and it basically go get your shoes. And like if a drop is at 8 o'clock, you wake up, set up your bot, and the bot actually goes grab the product, and it probably grab like 5, 6, 7 pairs. That's how a lot of the big resellers, Cool Kicks is getting a lot of their shoes off of that, off of other people coming to buy their sell their shoes too. But that's a big reason why, they have a lot of products. And also with botting, that's also way more expensive, because you're dabbling into something else, like, just manually, and that's something that we gonna get into the next tip. But manual, I just say that for the the next, but basically botting is way more expensive than manual, just because all the stuff you have to do, all the stuff you have to put into the bot to make it run and stuff like that. I think if you have a bot and your bot just picked up 5 pairs of shoes, $200, that's a lot of money, you feel me? So you have to have the capital to start, botting, a couple thousand, just to really just be successful in botting. All right, boom. Number nine is manual. Now manual is 100% free, depending on what you're doing. Now you can have little auto solves, stuff like that to make your checkout faster, and it's probably like $5-10. But for most of the time, manual is free, and that goes hand in hand with the Discord. Everything goes hand in hand with the Discord. So you might be like, well, how do I know if I need Discord? If you're trying to resell shoes, you need Discord. Like, simple as that. And manual is basically like you waking up 10-20 minutes before a drop, going into the computer, trying to get the product. And most of the time with manual, you'll only have like 1 to 2 shoes, if lucky 2 shoes. And a lot of the sites are botted, so it's kind of hard. So I would say if you're just now getting into reselling, you need to be worried. Focus mainly on used shoes, old shoes from your Facebook Marketplace, eBay, Grilled, all them places, so you can start having a profit. Capital to go get you a bot, stuff like that. Get your feet wet, get your Instagrams up, Instagram followers up, and stuff like that. So it's all like a ladder. You feel me? You can't just you have to start somewhere and climb up. You can't just start on top. You gotta start places, and that's where dang everybody started off of manual. Now 10 or however you want to do it, 10, whatever. StockX and Go. I don't sell or buy off of there. The only time I ever sold on StockX is when they have like a little what is it called? Basically like when they have free tax, so like the buyers or the sellers don't have to pay like $20-30. They only pay like $10 to sell the shoe. And that's pretty much the only time I ever sell on StockX or Go. I really don't use them at all. The only time I ever use StockX or Go, probably wouldn't even use StockX, other than getting like some like collectibles or something like that. But on the buying and reselling aspect, I really wouldn't. I really wouldn't. I think they're just taxing a lot of the times. They just tax, and I just don't rock with it like that. I did sell some Telfair bags, but that's pretty much it. Like, and only thing you can sell on StockX is brand new stuff too. Can't be open, can't be used, can't be nothing. Has to be brand new. Now on Go, that's a different story. You can sell new, used shoes or bags or whatever. Actually, I think they only sell. I don't know if you could sell like shirt. I'm pretty sure you could sell shirts and stuff on Go. But it can be new, used, whatever. You just take the pictures, snap them on there, post them up how much you want to make off of it. And I know on StockX it's a fee. Like if you're buying or selling, it's a huge fee, and like shipping is like 3 to 4 weeks. I'm pretty sure it's the exact same delivery time, but I know the fees aren't as heavy, I believe, on StockX. So that's another thing you need to be thinking about. eBay 100% free to sell on when you're selling shoes. Now clothing, I think there's like a little fee, but 100% free on eBay when you're selling shoes. I don't know about anything else. 100% free whatever you selling when you can go to Facebook, Instagram, all them type of platforms. And that's one reason why a lot of people try to sell all their stuff local. And local is basically like in your city, in your town, try to meet up with people, make sure y'all safe, because there be some shiesty people out here that be trying to be some gremlins. But yeah, make sure y'all just being safe. Meet up with people, meet up with them in a public area, police station, stuff like that. If it's too good to be true, it's too good to be true 9 times out of 10. But yeah, we can get into detail and all that in another video. Let me know if y'all want like individual tips in like directly or whatever. I don't know. I was kind of just telling y'all like some tips off of the top of my mind to kind of engage y'all to reselling. So if you do need more details or y'all want more details or whatever, just shoot me a DM on my Instagram. Let me know whatever y'all need. I'll be making a part 2 or whatever y'all want. So just let me know. And also, before we end this video, I'm doing a giveaway on my Instagram. Let me show y'all. So boom, first, right, we got some Supreme stickers that I'll be giving away just for free, just because. And then we got some Supreme shirts, just giving back to people who support. We got some Supreme shirts that we're gonna be giving away, and probably $100 to a couple people. I don't know. I still really don't know what I should do. So just shoot me a DM on Instagram if y'all want to be entered in that. DM me on Instagram, and if y'all got any more questions, DM me. And y'all probably might be like, well, why should we listen to you, right? Well, do you have some shoes to resell? I'm basically gonna be showing y'all the stuff that I just got, like probably like a day or 2 ago, and I'll be, showing y'all all the stuff that I just got. All right, y'all. Now, I don't know if y'all, let me turn the light on real quick. I don't know if y'all can, y'all can see, y'all can see. Just got some lightnings, some Travis Scotts, some light stuff, not really too serious. But just to show y'all that, I'm really, I really resell. Got some patterns, some more shoes. I got an ice. My bad, it's kind of dirty, y'all. But, some more, some stuff that I just came in, got way more stuff. All this stuff I just basically got last week, or not even last week, a couple days ago, my bad. Got some more Xboxes, stuff I got an ice, and yeah, stuff like that. And let me know if y'all want tips, basically, on like the icing process too, because that's different, when you ice new used shoes and all that. So just let me know whatever y'all need. It's your boy Flow Gang, and I'm out.
I'm told that bitch go. We spinning them and sending them.